In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to track specify audio content. If your websites includes an embedded Spotify players, it's possible to track how visitor interact with it. This video shows how to use GTM like Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics to track interactions like play, progress, pause, and resume, and like this complete, so you can better understand how users engage with your Spotify audio content. So you can ask me why I will set up these events for our Google Analytics, because if you want to understand which type of visitor lands on your website and which type of audience they are using, which type of device they are using, and where location and other things, if you want to understanding this, and you can make decisions. This or depends on your audience. You can tag this today. So first of all, I will share my screen and a full process I will share with you. So you can see this our I already embedded this Spotify players on our website. This is our website. This is our Spotify, and you know, Spotify. This is our iFrame form. Like when I click on mouse right button, this time you can see this view frame source, and also you can check inspector, this elementor, and when you scroll up, and this is our iFrame. Okay, and open.spotify.com. This is our Spotify.com. I understand. This iFrame form didn't give any permissions to click here. When you click any button, the same thing it is don't work, because iFrame didn't give permissions an activity on their website. So that's why. But Spotify sent on add event listener. There's add event listener. We are depending on this add event listener. We are counting every event. Okay. So first of all, you need to enable or push Google Tag Manager code. Actually, I am using Google Tag Manager to track these events, and first of all, you need to create one Google Tag Manager account. If you don't know how to create this Google Tag Manager account, just go to YouTube and search how to create Google Tag Manager web and server container. But today you need to only web container. Okay, so when you create this Google Tag Manager, that time you found this on pop-up, and when you close this, and you found this one GTM, your GTM code, and you found this code, and this is the Google Tag Manager requirements. You paste this code on your website header section. I already add this Google Tag Manager code on my website. You can see this one. Okay, then this is our Google Tag Manager code. Okay, this is working in this mess. Okay, so it is perfect. Now you need to enable data layer. Actually, when anyone play this video and pause this video and again resume your video and complete this this audio, or complete this audio, the same your event will be fired. So that's why you need to enable on data layer. I already created on the JavaScript data layer, and I already created tags to enable data layer. And this is our code. Okay, and you can see this is our code, and you can see this one add event listener here, add event listener message. Okay, and this triggers is all this, because this code working all the page, but I write down here one condition. So when this condition will be true, this time this event will be fired. So don't worry about this. Your all is trigger. Okay, our data layer enabled done. Now I have to check our data layer working or not. Okay, so click on preview and input your website URL. This is our website URL. So click on copy this URL and paste this one, and click on connect. And yeah, and this is our Spotify audio, and I click on play button. Yeah. Go to tag assistant, and you can see this here on Spotify started on event fire, and here I have a lot of parameters like this: audio percentage, audio current time, audio durations, Spotify URI, audio URL, audio content type, audio playback status, events. These are started events, and these are progress, and this audio percentage 10 and 20. Okay, when I pause this audio, that times I found on post or events. Okay, and again click on play. This times I found on video text. Okay, and this events perfectly working. And when our audio completed like this here, this time our one event will be fire complete event. Okay, that's right, it is our event, one event will be fired. So I will send this every event on our 𝗀𝗣𝗢𝗧𝗏. Okay, so how can I do that? So which type of events I will send, like first started, progress, paused, resume, and last complete events. Okay, so if you want to send this type of events and all using all parameters on your 𝗀𝗣𝗢𝗧𝗏, the same thing you need to create variables depends on this data layer. So go to variables, and another things, if you need this data layer, if you need this data layer JavaScript code, just comment my LinkedIn post. This post I will send this post in this video description. Just check this post and go to this post and write down here Spotify data layer and click on comment this Spotify data layer. I will send it directly, but make sure that you like this video and connect with me. Okay, then I will send this data layer. Don't worry. So come to the point. I will create on variables. Okay, then and click on new, and in the variable configuration click anywhere and select your data layer variables, because this is our data layer. Here have, and this is our data layer, and here I have every parameter. So I will click this one and go to full-time manager and select our data layer variables. Okay, and this one, and save, paste audio %. That's it. Okay, I go to tag assistant, and another one, audio current time, no need to audio current time, audio durations. Okay, I will send these parameters. Okay, again same way I will create variables, another one like this, durations, audio URL, audio content type. Okay, audio playback status. Okay, so click on new, same process, select variable, data variable, and paste this here. Spotify URL. Okay, data variables. This one. Save one. Audio content type. Click on new. Variable conversion, select here, and data layer variables, and this one, and save, and status complete. No need to send this parameters. Okay, your event name. This is your event name. Okay, percentage. Okay, that's good. I will send these parameters. Okay, now I will create on triggers. No, here I will create on triggers. Okay, click on new, and in trigger configurations click anywhere and scroll down. You can find this custom events. Okay, click on custom events. That write down here event name. This event name, this one. Okay, copy this event name and this event name. And if you want to send all status, progress, complete, and resume post, I will write down this on pipeline. It will be working everywhere. So it's Spotify progress. It's actually Spotify progress. I have 10% 10, 20, 30 look like this, and 90 here have 9 event will be fired, but I don't need to 9 events. Which times our audio percentage will be 15. Suppose anyone was listen this 50%, that times our progress will be fired. So that's why then that times I need. Okay, I will get new tier. Okay, I will right now I will add this Spotify post. Copy this one, and I don't 5 on this, and again 5, and put instant, and I resume. Okay, copy this resume code, and this one, and complete another one, complete. Okay, and another hit complete, and this one. Then click on use rejects the messing. Okay, you must be select this box. Okay, and copy, and trigger name will be this one. Yeah, exactly our one trigger complete, and second one this one progress. Okay, and you do percentage will be 15. So copy this progress and go to Google Tag Manager and to new to tag, create new tag. In tag configuration, select here. Okay, and then our event name will be custom events, and write up here event name, and click on some custom events, and right here select your audio percentage. Which time will be fire equal 50. Then when this will be true, that time then this event will be fire. Okay, so save, and event name will be here. Okay, our trigger already completed. Then I will send on tag, but make sure you already enable Google Tag with your website, because of Google, this is your Google Analytics 4 requirements. When you send an event, the time you are bound to send Google Tag, otherwise it is don't work. Well, why I will set up Google Tag? Because Google Tag counting your audience every data like this, which type of location, where their location, and which type of device they are using. Look like this, every data they are counting automatically. That's why we need to enable on Google Tag. So click on new, and you can select tag configuration, select anywhere, and you can select Google Tag Analytics, and you can see this Google Tag. I will choose this Google Tag, and you need to write here Google Tag ID. How can found this Google Tag ID? Go to Google Analytics 4 and click on admin button, and you can see this your right sections on data streams. Okay, data streams. Okay, select under the select this data streams, and then you can see your website data stream. Select your website data stream, and then you can find this measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID and go to Google Tag Manager and paste this measurement ID. But I don't use this one because I need every event. When I send this every event, that I need this measurement ID. That's why I will create on variables so that I can use this measurement ID every event. So click on box and click on new button in variable configurations, and scroll down. You can find constant variable, and this is your measurement ID, and write down your variable name and click on save. Okay, and you can see measurement ID. This is our measurement ID already put here, and you can see this initialization all page here working. And another thing, when you click on configuration settings, this time you need to add one configuration parameters like this. If you want to send any specific events using Google Tag, you can send it. Okay, send underscore page underscore view. It when you write down TR2, this time the page view event will be fired. But while you set up server-side tracking, this time I will suggest you need to create new tag to send page view events. But and this is browser side, that's why you don't need to create any separate events. Okay, so it's okay. Then this initialization page. Okay, then you can save, and your tag name will be goal tag. Okay, then again save. Okay, now I am going to send every events. Every events look like this. Every events on our __4. That's why I need to create one new tag. So click on new tag, new, and in the tag configuration select entire, and select your __4, and you can found on GA4 events. So select here, and you need to paste measurement ID. So I already create on variables, on the variables, constant variables, and this one measurement ID. And when you paste this one, just here you can see on the right mark goal tag found in this container. Good. And here write down your events. So like this our events, I will add these events. Okay, because when you go to Google and get tag assistant, the sense you can see on variables like this event variable. Okay, verify progress. When you will go to start event, the same it will be changed. That's why I added this event name will be event. When our trigger configurations will be done, trigger configuration, suppose when anyone play this video audio and pause this audio and complete this audio, this time every action so go to analysis 4. That's why I added this event. So, and event parameters, I will send event parameters look like this. I already created variables like this. You can see audio, audio content, then audio duration, audio percentage, and audio URL. Okay, audio URL. Okay, then you can send audio underscore type, and audio underscore durations, and audio underscore percent, and audio URL. Okay, that's good. This type of parameters, right? Yeah, okay, that's good. Then our trigger will be, I already get triggers, 2 triggers, right? First one, all the events are like Spotify complete, Spotify post, Spotify achievement are completed. Okay, that's right. Here will be started. Okay, so click on here, and I will change this. Okay, okay, started. Copy this one, and I put in here. Completed this one. I will just this. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Copy and paste here. Okay, I started. That's it. And I will add this second event. This one. Progress. Okay. And our tag name will be GA4 __4. Okay, all events like this. Spotify event. Okay, you can see. Then our setup done. Now I want to check our tagging setup, which is right or wrong. So how can I check this? First one, I will follow 2 steps to check this event. So first one, our goal is for debug mode. Another display data display, and you can see this is debug view. Click on debug view. I will check all the events here. And another one, tag assistant. Okay, so go to World Tag Manager and click on preview. And yeah, tag assistant. Okay, then yeah, this is our website. Okay, tag assistant connected. Yeah. Now I have to check Google tag. Okay, here not available any events. That's why our our actually this is working, but for detail layer and gold track it is working. So I will play this audio. Yeah, and 𝗪𝗧𝗏, go to gold 𝗪𝗧𝗏, and you can see Spotify is underscore started, and you can see this GA4 Spotify events file on event file. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. And when you go to Google _, strength, you can see here on event file like this. The PHP event file is going to start, and another one is going to be started. And you can see this audio %0. Yeah, it is right. And audio 5 playlist, audio URL, this one, open underscore Spotify.com. Duration, yeah, okay, that's good. And now I can see this process. 10% it is not working, 20% not working, 30% not working, 40% not working. When our 50% will be done about this, 40%, right? Yeah, 50%. This times our event is 5, and this event good horrible and is 4, right? That's right. I will follow this audio, and you can see this your post event of 5. Well, good. Go to Google _, and check our Spotify post publish. It is working. Yeah, and audio percentage 50, audio type, playlist, audio URL, durations. Okay, awesome. And another one, it will be post event file and resume. You can see this resume events file. Resume events file. Okay. But Spotify publish not file because our audio percentage is 6. That's why it is not working. And you can see this our audio. When our audio will be completed, that times our one event will be higher. Like this, you can see this one completed, and this event is working very well. And when I go to Google _, that times I can see a post, then resume, like this resume percentage, you can see 59 type. Okay, every data available here. And finally I got our Spotify completed percentage 100% type, audio URL, audio durations, every parameters available here. Wow, fantastic! Our event setup is totally done. Right? If you want to tag it look like this event, then you can know me. I will help you to implement these events. So implement this event. But ensure that when your setup is done, the sense you submit your Google Tag Manager events and publish. Okay. Without this publish, your tracking setups or not will be public. Okay, be careful when you edit this. When your setup will be done. Okay, then yeah. Hey, I'm 𝗪𝗏𝗖𝗎 sensor set tagging specialist. I help businesses improve ad performance with accurate conversion tracking for Meta, Google, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. So stop your wrong tracking. If you want to make decisions properly, you need to track them right way. So see you soon.